My daughter's name is Michaela, and she is 7.5 years old. She is autistic and has a condition called pica, in which she tries to eat things that are not food. Michaela can't communicate in a conversation with people, so she can't let us know her wants and her needs in a conversation. She can't focus very well, and she's easily distracted.
As we started to treat her, we started to see some changes. We treated her for about 80 sessions now, about a year. But as we've gone through this training, pica diminished, very early on the pica diminished greatly and is continuing to get improved. Attention and focus started to improve. She can actually have some interactive, spontaneous questions as well as speech. So increased vocabulary. Mom's noticing her a lot more cognitive, a lot more present. The bedwetting is, we've had nights where we're not having any bedwetting, where she's sleeping through the night. And in fact, there's some nights where she's actually getting herself up to go to the bathroom. It's not perfect, but it's definitely in the right direction.
After the first couple of treatments, we started to notice some changes in Michaela. Some more eye contact, some more focus. She actually was a little more verbal and was starting to say, things, maybe not in context, but say things that she never would say before. And the biggest change we noticed was the pica was diminished, and it significantly went down. One instance that just happened the other day at the dinner table, my kids were talking about, what we could eat with a spoon, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, Michaela chimed in, cereal. I mean, it wasn't a long sentence, but it was a miracle that it was even, in context, hadn't had to do with the subject. We didn't even know she was following conversation at that point. So we think that she might be emerging with that kind of language finally. I would definitely recommend brain core to anyone who has issues with autism, and other things, to try to overcome some of them, because it's non-invasive and it really doesn't take much to actually take part in the program.